me a bracelet and ito. My sister is going to make me a bracelet with the strawberry and my sister have a cloth. I fall and I put in the pack and we have a playhouse and also Harry Mommy. And this one is Aya and me and we're going to make bracelet today. And my name is Ika and this is my sister Aya. Hi vlog, comment in the vlog.
Please like.
Please like in the vlog.
Like and subscribe.
Like the vlog. We are coding in the school and it's done.
The Good Shepherd.
In the good shepherd. My sister is bunga and bungeto in the middle.
Okay, let's start your bracelet na.
Then my
Okay.
sister, that's long.
Okay, let's start your bracelet.
Okay, now Mommy, what's next? What first?
You gonna make what? You gonna make bracelet for?
Bracelet for
Or?
my sister.
Okay.
This being mean to me.
What's her name?
Kai.
What? Ika.
Okay.
Ika. Okay.
That's all.
Next.
Ika and Bimi.
Next.
Hey. I'm only joking. And I think I gonna have an idea for this.